Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create Wings e-commerce website. Now to get it started, just need to open your internet browser or your Google Chrome, and we just need to search for wings.com right there at the search box at the top. And basically you'll find this homepage. You can see create a website without limits. And here, what kind of website would you like to create? So basically, I just want to create e-commerce website. So I'm going to select this online store. And now I just want to click on this get started. And here you can sign up, you can use email, and then you can choose or create a password. Or basically, you can use your Google account or your Facebook account. Now, if you have already an account, just need to click on the login button. And from here, I just want to click on continue with Google. And I just want to use my Gmail address. Now here you are now on your Wings dashboard. As you can see, we have several options that you can do. But basically, I just want to design my website first. So I'm going to create a new website. So just like this. Now from here, as you can see, get started faster with the help of AI. So you can use AI, or if you want manually set up your website, just need to click on setup without AI. So I'm going to select this one. Now on the next page, as you can see, you're going to answer this. What kind of website are you creating? So I'm going to create an online store, and I basically just need to select any kind of online store that you want to create. For example, here, I just want to create an online clothing store. So I'm going to click on this one. Now here, as you can see, once you click on next, you will now go to the next page. You can see preparing your dashboard. So basically you can set up or customize your own e-commerce website. So here, let's get your store up and running. What's the name of your store? So in this sample, just want to type here my closet, and then click on the next button right there at the bottom right. And do you already have an online store? So basically, if you're just starting to create an e-commerce website, just need to click on this no, I'm just starting out. So right from here, and then once you click on this one, click on next right there at the bottom right. And what would you like to sell? Basically, I just want to sell some physical products. For example, just select that, digital products too. Or if you want drop shipping products, or if you want print on demand products or services. So once done, you just need to click on the next button. And here, where would you like to sell? So obviously, I just want to sell online. So just need to select that. And now already set. So continue to dashboard. Now you are now on your Wings dashboard, as you can see, and you have several options here that you can do. But basically, I just want to design my website first. So I'm going to click on design site right there, the top right. Now, how would you like to design your website? You have two options here. If you want to create from scratch, or if you want to use a design template. So for me, I just want to click this pick a template. And basically, I just want to customize some design templates here on Wings. So here, as you can see, we have a bunch of templates that we are going to use. So you just need to choose here depending on your preference or products or brand. So for example, here, I just want to use one of the template, and just like this accessory store. So I'm going to click on this edit button. Now, as you can see, preparing your website, you just need to wait for a few seconds until it's done preparing and uploading or customize or editing some stuff on your website. So here, as you can see, another option shows up. Here you can actually let the AI generate site text, or you can basically manually edit your site. Just need to click on the X button right there. Now here on Wings website editor, as you can see, we have some options. You can add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So here you can just select any options here, so your website will be more attractive to your customers. So I'm going to zoom into 100%. Now first up here, if you want to add section, basically you just need to click this add section button. And here you just need to select any of the section that you want to add to your website. If you add some about section, or if you want to add some of the sections here like the services. So you just need to select or drag and drop to your website. Or you can basically add more content on your website. You just have to select add elements here. So basically, if you want to add some buttons, just click on the buttons here, theme buttons, text icon buttons here, for example. Or if you want to add the shop button from here, and then you can move it anywhere on your page. Now, if you want to select any content here on your website, for example, fonts, and you want to edit this one, you just need to click on that fonts like this one, and you can click on edit text. And here an option shows up as you can see. So you can actually change the brand name as you can see right from here. And then if you want to change the font style, just click on edit text. And here you can change the style. So depending on your preference, and then you can change the font style. So you can just select here any of the font style that you want on your website. And basically you can also change the font color. So as you can see right here, you have so many options. You can add some effects, character and line spacing, vertical text, and SEO and accessibility. So here you have some different options if you want to customize your fonts on your website. Now, once done, as you can see, if we're going to click on My Business, here you can set up your online store. So we're going to click on this Wings stores right there. And here you will find add your first product, define shipping regions, connect payment methods. And also here we have some options, manage products, go to dashboard, add store elements, manage pages, find products to sell. And here, as you can see, we have recommended tools that you can use to create an ads for your website here. So you can basically select any of the options that you can customize for your own e-commerce website. Now, if you're going to add a new product, as you can see, you will now go to this page, and here you will find all the products that you listed. And here, basically, if you select any product here, you can edit some product details, for example, the image and videos, product name, and also some product descriptions, and also product info and shipping info, or the product price, or the payment methods. So yeah, you can basically select those products and you can create another product here. So you just need to go ahead here on Wing Store and basically you just need to customize all your products and you can manage your stores right here. So that's all. That's how you basically just create this e-commerce website. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.